Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Aries Crochet, and here in today's video I bring amazing crochet games for kids. So here in this video I share different varieties of games for kids. It is very safe for children to play with these games, and second, it's very fun to make these crochet games. With a very small amount of thread you can make amazing games, and there is no use of plastic, which is actually very much dangerous for kids. So try to make your own games, and I hope you enjoy this video. For more crochet ideas, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.